Hey everybody, it's Steve. Welcome back. Today we're going to show you what to do when you break off the base of a light bulb inside of the socket. This has happened twice to us now. Well, here I've removed the lens cover so you can see a little bit better, but there's a base stuck in this one, and now this one has a base stuck in it as well. So getting it out of there is actually not that difficult if you have a little tool. Now we're going to show you two ways today. In this video we're going to show you how to do it with the tool. I have a second video where we cover in more detail how to remove the lens covers and get it out of there without the tool. But today we'll use the tool, and luckily it's something that even I can do. Okay, so to get it out of there, what you need is one of these little tools. They're available on Amazon for about $10. I have a link below for the one that I have here. And I'll show you how to do it on both of these. So access to this is a little bit easier when there's no lens cover, but it works the same principle. So all you're going to do is take this with the fat end up. It's rubberized, so it should be safe, but I'd still have the power off. And we're going to stick that in there and push and twist. There you go. See, that just came out real easily. Sometimes they get stuck in there pretty good, especially if it's been a long time since you changed the bulb or if you screwed it in really tightly. So now, this one here, which again, if you could reach in there and you could grab a hold of the base and turn it, then you could do it. But, like I said, sometimes they get stuck. Sometimes your hands are too big to get in these lens covers. So this tool is great because you don't even need to remove it. Again, we'll just look underneath. We'll find our base, insert. Good catch. And there it is. There's the base. So we're ready to put in our new bulb. Okay, we've got our power back on outside, so we'll hit the switch with our new bulbs. And there we go. Now I'm backlit, so let's turn that off. I know everybody wants to see me nice and clear. So that's it. We've quickly swapped out these two bulbs, and that's all there is to it with this tool. If you need to learn how to do it with the lens cover in place, and if you don't have one of these, again, check out my other video on that topic. It's a little bit longer, a little bit more detailed. But for now, that's all we have on this one. So if you found it helpful, please hit that like button, please subscribe, and until next time, this has been Steve for things that even I can do.